Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MG3220 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice, and in the Google search, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MG3220 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be a Canon webpage here that says Canon support for PIXMA MG3220. Go ahead and open that up. Scroll down on this page underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then you want to select an identify operating system. Make sure the correct one's being identified here. And then go down a little bit further underneath print driver and scan utility installer. Select the download button. And then once it's done downloading, go ahead and run that installer and select yes. And then select next. Select your place of residence. Agree to the license terms. You can close out the web browser too at this time. And you can select whether to use your printer with a wireless LAN connection or with via a USB, whatever your preference may be, and then select next. And then you would have to follow along with the on-screen prompts here. So we're going to go ahead and actually select the USB cable option. And again, that's another option you can explore. So just wanted to kind of go through both of those options that are going to be presented to you. So pretty straightforward on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.